Hello guys, in this part I am going to show you how can you reverse your video. So here is the video clip. I want to reverse it. So you will just need to click right click on that video clip, and then you have to go to the properties. In the properties you will get the option for reverse, and you have to click on that, and then I want to get the best performance and click on OK, and you have to save that file. Okay, it will create a reverse file of your video, and then you will get the option to use that in your video clip. Okay, wait. So guys, we have reversed our video. Now if I play that, you can see the video is reversed actually. So this is how you can reverse your video.